Flooring is a big part of any home. It was the mood of the house even before any furniture was placed. However, flooring is still a difficult task for homeowners, especially when choosing between ceramic tiles and oiled oak flooring. Both flooring types are appealing to different groups, but their experiences are totally different. And choosing the wrong one might be a costly mistake. Let's look at their features. High gloss tiles. One great thing about high gloss tiles is that they are very easy to clean. A wet mop and you're done. They are also great for bathrooms, kitchens, and spaces with high humidity. They are great for urban homes. The consistency makes it appealing. However, they also have downsides. One of the major downsides is that they are usually cold. So get ready for discomfort during cooler mornings. Another disadvantage is that they make a louder noise when you accidentally drop a hard substance on them. The lines are also difficult to maintain, they get dirty easily, and the cement wears off if you scrub too hard. Oiled oak has been used for flooring for centuries, not just because of tradition, but because they are durable and they age well. Oiling the oak tends to improve the quality and aesthetics further. Instead of just coating the wood with wood stains, oiling it produces better results. As the oil penetrates into the wood and nourishes it from within, making the wood soft and tender. The result when used for flooring makes the house feel alive. They are comfortable on the foot and shine all the time. The wood absorbs sounds, rather than amplifying them. They suit every type of decor, ranging from contemporary to modern, rustic, and industrial. Although maintenance is closely watched, compared to tiles, but not as complicated as tiles. You won't need to spend a huge budget at a go, unlike tiles that you ought to remove and renovate entirely. Normal mopping, cleaning, and applying oil and safe wood ointment are all that is required to keep it sparkling. It is not utterly cold and not utterly warm. Gives your foot a lukewarm temperature. Styling tips: if tiles are your option, then you should invest in center rugs to keep your feet warm. Larger tiles look better in the sitting room and smaller ones in the bedroom. Depending on your interior decor, light colors fit most designs. If you go with oak, then there aren't too many complications with the styling. Simple patterns are the best, they suit every decor and they are nearly arranged. Use a lighter oak if you want your flooring to have the spotlight of your living room. But a darker or moodier color would shine more light on your furniture and your home decor. While there are many qualities of oak wood out there, WFA UK's quality is among the best we have out there. They are built to last longer and shine better. What flooring type to choose? You can have a bit of both worlds. While tiles are great for kitchen and bathroom floors, oiled oak is perfect for your living room and bedroom. It announces your taste of style and spells affluence and luxury. Conclusion: flooring, although it is part of the finishing aspect of a house, is one of the most important an aspect of the house. People debate whether oiled oak or high gloss tiles is better. While oiled oak has an edge over high gloss tiles, you can use oak for your living rooms and tiles for your kitchen and bathrooms. Read more on Hogdigest.